Yo gang, I forgot to do an intro, but we're pulling up to the pump right now, about to mix the 2-stroke. It gets stressful, freaking looking out for Popo, but let's get into it. All right, we're at the gas station. Hey, wait, cushions in. Can I get you some money? Hey, cushion. Man, I wish you would just grab it, man. This makes it harder for me. Alright, now this is the sketchy part. Now we grab the freaking shake. I'm just fucking looking around, making sure no coppers come. 6, put in 4. I'm like shaking, dude, trying to get the bottle going. Hey, it doesn't stress you out mixing the 2-stroke?
I got one on, so yeah, but not really.
Still, I mean,
all I ever had, so.
I'm just straight. I've always been looking around, making sure none of the cops come and stuff, you know? Hey, let's go.
I thought I was tripping. See, they talking about this shit.
Nah, I popped out, bro. I had to pop out. This is what you do to mix the gas. Gas station adventures, bro. I need to go in the shade. Well, that homie knows how it goes. It's that 2-stroke life. Let's go! Corona gang! A little loop around the gas station. See what everyone's riding today. We got free 2-stroke smoke for anyone who wants it, bro. Look at everyone just chilling at the station. The vibes are real.
Yo.
Bruh, what's good?
Dropped the glove.
You dropped the blood?
My glove.
Oh, I thought you said a oh boy. This is where we stopped to get gas and I sketch out. Are you getting gas or no? You getting gas?
Yeah, just got gas. I'm not doing this one. Oh, no, I'm still.
You're good? I might get a little bit. This is the sketchiest part, bro. Getting gas. Point to sit. You need some?
Where we going today, man?
Shredding.
Oh, down south.
I don't know where we're going, but
You ready?
I don't know. We shredding. All right, now I gotta mix the gas real quick. Here.
2-stroke, I did.
It's scary.
It ain't about that. Nigga, when I be telling you that power bag, I don't know what. That shit just kick in whenever, and I don't do with that. I don't put that shit.
I hope I did the right mixture. I said I hope I did the right mixture.
Yeah. Hey, as long as things not smoking, you know it's good.
Yeah, facts. You got water for us, freaking coolant. Yeah, we all out here. All right, well, this is how you do the 2-stroke shake, if you're wondering. You gotta shake that bit good. So you gotta shake that thing good, you know? And now, yeah, that's how you fill up a 2-stroke at the gas station, boy. You need a gas?
No, I'm just getting, I always fill up.
I was about to say, I just had my
Oh, yeah.
Homie's pissed behind us. He's like, bro, I wasn't trying to get gas, all these damn bikers in the way. Woo, bro, the gas station is the most stressful, anxiety. We got a cop in the facility. Everyone's ears are poking up like a dog. Oh, he's right there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's literally, I'll zoom in, bloop, zoom out. He's right there, everyone. This means when you pat your head, you'll probably know, but it means Popo's near. Oh, there's 2. doing it too, bro. That 2-stroke. I don't know what you want to call it. The 2-stroke groove move. This guy. You need some? Bro, I got so much oil in my backpack. Oh, I thought they meant cops. I was like, I thought they said cops. We freaking mixed the gas. Sketchy as hell. Now we gotta mix it in. We got the chopper on us. Right there. I don't even know if he's honest, to be honest. He might just be like messing around. Nah, he ain't honest. What? Yeah, I'm going to where I parked. So, later, bro. Same. Yeah, I'm out. Hey, good seeing you, my dude.
Yes, sir.
Hey, later, bro. Yeah, for sure. Good seeing y'all. Hey, later.